Hi, my name is Madison Knowles, and this is my About Me presentation. I want to first say I'm sorry if I'm hard to understand because I've been a little under the weather, so my voice is kind of in and out. First of all, who am I? As I previously just said, I'm Madison Knowles, but I'm soon to be Madison Whitaker. I am currently engaged and set to get married next Saturday on August 31st. I am originally from Monticello, Arkansas, and have been born and raised here. I also have a dog named Scout, as you can see from the picture. Who am I teaching? I am teaching at fourth grade, a fourth grade class at Drew Central Elementary. We actually switch classes here, so I have 88 fourth graders that I teach math to. I'm actually a Drew Central graduate, and so happy to be working at the district because I know that they truly put their students first. My plans for teaching: I hope to stay in the field and grow in my skills with each year because I know that you have to be willing to grow and learn new things throughout this career because it's always evolving and changing. I plan for my teaching career to hopefully stay at Drew Central because this is a school that I love and have a lot of ties to. A plan I also have for teaching is to create a safe learning environment so that all of my students that come into my room feel comfortable so that they can reach their full potential. My expectations for the MAP programs are that it will not be easy, but it will definitely be worth it because of the information I will get through it and how it will help prepare me for this lifelong career. I also think that with the advisors and instructors that it's a really great program, so I'm not too worried because I know that they are all helpful and there to help get us through the program and create us to be the best teachers we can be for our students. Something interesting, I'm actually teaching fourth grade math in the same classroom I learned in as a Drew Central student in fourth grade, and I just attached a few different pictures that you can see showing just a little bit of my room. It's not exactly the cleanest now since school has started, but I just thought I'd add a few pictures of that. Thank you for listening to my About Me presentation, and bye.